If you want to wake up your skin, reduce puffiness, and naturally sculpt your face, these 5 face yoga moves is the perfect way to start your morning. By the end of the session, you're going to feel energized and your skin is going to look more awake and more lifted and glowy. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by working on the forehead area here. So you want to place your index fingers right here by the eyebrow and gently rest your thumbs here on your cheek area. So you want to gently open up your eyes wide here. Take a few seconds here. And relax. And we're going to do this again. Gently place your fingers here on the forehead, thumbs resting. Open up your eyes wide. This is a really good technique to strengthen the forehead muscles here. So really also encouraging our eyes to make more moves as opposed to our forehead, because when we start making these expressions with our forehead, that's what creates these deep lines and wrinkles. So we're going to do this one more time. Place your finger here on the eyebrow. Open up your eyes wide here and make sure you're not wrinkling your forehead at all. You're only working your eye area here. This is also wonderful for really kind of opening up the eyes, reducing any kind of puffiness here also. Wonderful. So the next exercise we're going to do is really focusing on the eye area here. So in the morning, we tend to have a lot of puffiness. So this is my favorite technique to really open up the eye and reduce any of that puffiness. So you want to take your fingers here. You want to take your index fingers here, so place them here, gently resting out here. And you want to take your middle finger here in the inside corner here. And we are going to gently squint our eyes for a few seconds here. And go back to normal. Squint again for a few seconds. Go back to normal. Now you might feel a little bit of that pulsating sensation here. This is really showing that the muscles are working. They're kind of contracting here. And really strengthening the eye muscles here. But if you don't feel it, that's okay. You might want to adjust a little bit just to make sure that you're feeling it. But if you don't, it's completely fine too. Go back to normal. We're going to do this one more time. Beautiful. Now, the next exercise we're going to do is great for overall cheek area. So as we age, our cheeks start sagging a little bit. So I love this technique. It's one of my favorite ones to kind of lift and tone our entire cheek area here. And it also works great for the lower part of our face. So we're going to go from an O shape to a smile. So it looks like this. So we're going to go back and forth like this 10 times. We're going to take a little break and then we're going to do it again. So it looks like this. Wonderful. You see here how you're only working on the cheek muscles here. So you're not moving the face here at all, really. It's really just this area, and you're lifting and working on the cheek muscles here. So let's do this one more time. Wonderful. And just start tapping on your face a little bit here and just to release any of that tension. Wonderful. Okay, so the next exercise is really great for the jaw area here. So this is great for firming and toning our jaw area. So you want to place your tops of your fingers here and gently just tap all underneath the chin here. boosting that circulation, increasing the collagen and elastin production. Take a nice deep breath. If your finger gets a little tired here, I kind of go back and forth like this too, or you can use your other hand. I want to do this for 30 seconds, but you can go up to a minute if you want to. Beautiful. Now, to end this session, we're going to warm up our hands here, create a little bit of warmth, and then we're going to place the heels of our hands here on our eye area. Take a nice deep breath. This is wonderful, just relaxing the face muscles here. Beautiful. This is such a great, wonderful face yoga practice that you can do every single day if you want. And it really wakes up the skin. It kind of makes you feel more refreshed and glowy and healthy and radiant. So I hope you liked this session. And if you did, you might want to check out my other video right here to kind of boost the circulation in our face a little bit too. It's great for morning exercise as well. So take good care, and I will see you in the next one.